Chef Hoolou is here in a Japanese kitchen, and we are going to cook tempura with shrimp. First, we need to prepare the dough. Let's ask 1 cup of sifted flour to stay in a bowl. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or potato starch. An egg is also needed to help bind the flour and starch together. 1 glass of ice-cold water. Combine the yolk and white of the egg. Now get a larger bowl and pour the egg in a bowl. Add the ice-cold water. Be careful not to catch a cold and stir for only 3 to 4 seconds. Sift the starch and salt together. Then add them all to the liquid. Then add the sifted flour to the party. Mix gently for 8 to 10 seconds and make a carousel. The batter should be thin, cold, and slightly lumpy. Place the bowl over a larger bowl filled with ice to keep the batter cold throughout the process. Peel the shrimp but keep the tail on. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, sifted for initial dusting. High smoke point oil like canola, sunflower, or light Japanese vegetable oil. At least 5 centimeters deep in the pot. Don't forget to remove the vein on the back of the shrimp. And make 3 to 4 small shallow cuts on the underside to prevent curling. Season with salt and coat the shrimp in flour. Temperature has an important role to make it crispy. Hold the shrimp by the tail. Dip the body into the tempura batter. Gently place the shrimp into the oil and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns light cream in color, not deep golden. Here is our delicious tempura. Don't forget to put the shrimp on a napkin or paper towel after frying to remove excess oil. Let's go to serve. Hoolou. You can serve it with tempura sauce or diluted soy sauce. A little grated fresh ginger on the side is also a traditional Japanese choice. Send me photos of your dish and leave comment after you subscribe the channel. See you soon with a special sushi. Sayonara. Yuichi ni chio.